Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol INTC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Quite the eventful day today, not only from the price action standpoint, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one moving forward with earnings and all that out there. So a lot of people, I'm sure, are going to be talking about this one all weekend long. But really a very interesting setup moving forward, and this will mean a little bit more to those of you that have traded for a while. But if you have traded for a while, I'm sure you've seen stocks that gap down, and then after the gap down, the price just does something like this the rest of the day. Drifts lower and lower the entire day, but that didn't happen here. The price was actually able to go sideways, which brings about a very important level of support, which sits right here at 47.75, meaning if this is some sort of bottom, well, then it needs to keep going sideways, and quote-unquote going sideways being defined as staying up above 47.75. Now, don't get me wrong, and I really wish I could say trading was this easy. Just because there was a gap down and just because the price started to go sideways does not mean that for sure guaranteed this is the bottom and that some sort of big bounce is going to happen. My core point here is it at least makes sense to question that. Case in point, let's say that the price was doing something like this right now and still just going down. And then I'm sitting here saying, hey, it's looking like this is the bottom. You'd be totally justified to say, what are you talking about? Based on what? The price is literally going down. But that's not the case here, right? It's at least started to go sideways. So does that mean it's for sure the bottom? Absolutely not. But does that mean it's at least a valid thought to have? For sure. And if the price is going to build any sort of momentum, let's focus on some of these areas of resistance now. First key area of resistance to watch, going to be right there at the 48.35 mark. And then if the price can break above 48.35, next key level of resistance up there right around 48.70. And then after that, I mean, I'm not saying the price is going to shoot up there and close the gap, but my point here is there's definitely some open skies here for the price to potentially build some more upside momentum. So keep riding those levels going forward, but definitely a very interesting setup headed into next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.